everyone! Today we're making fruit salad and it's gonna be party size! This is a simple recipe, but it's oh so good. So let's get started! Anytime we're getting fruits in a can, there's always going to be syrup inside. So we have to drain the syrup from these cans. Also, since this is party size, I bought 5 fruit cocktail cans. But, for normal sizes, I would say to just buy 3 cans of fruit cocktail. And I think that could feed a whole family. Actually got pineapple chunks, so they're much bigger than the tidbits. They were a little too big for me, so I ended up chopping them into smaller pieces and they became little tidbits. These sweet coconut shells are so yummy. I could eat these plain every day. But today, we're adding it to our fruit salad. This is my favorite part of this whole process, just mixing all of those ingredients in. It's so fun to do. Adding agar jelly to your fruit salad is optional, but for me, I love including them into mine. They just add a little something something to the taste. And plus, these agar jelly are so yummy by itself, and I could just snack on them plain. They're not too sweet, the texture is incredibly soft, and they're basically amazing. I love them. So there you have it, this super creamy fruit salad is ready to be served. Party size! Enjoy guys! Hi everyone, Ali here. Thanks again for watching my videos and I really hope you enjoyed it. If you like this video, please remember to subscribe for more. Take care everyone and see you soon.